Hi, my name's Jake Hodgson. I've been working for WOLFFKRAN for 2.5 years now. I'm a trainee installation and maintenance electrician registered onto a level 3 apprenticeship.
My name's Kieran. I've been working at WOLFFKRAN for 2 years now, and I'm an installation and maintenance electrician on a level 3 apprenticeship.
Prior to joining WOLFFKRAN, I was working as a welder on a production line, which was a very indoors based job and very repetitive. And now I opted for the career I've got at WOLFFKRAN, which is very outdoorsy, very much the opposite of what I was doing before.
The job at WOLFFKRAN can take you anywhere in the UK. I've been to London, Manchester, Birmingham, Liverpool. I've also been fortunate enough to go abroad at Brighton, Belgium. Currently partnered up with an erection and dismantles electrician, assisting with the installation and testing of a crane.
Carrying out this job role has given me the opportunity to grow as a person, also becoming more confident, and it has also helped me become a team player, which is something that I never had before in my previous jobs.
Being an apprentice has helped my confidence. It's also helped me secure my career path as I'm getting qualifications.
I would highly recommend apprenticeships as a career path due to the structured learning that it offers, whether that's classroom based and on the job, so you're getting the best of both worlds. And I have no regrets in the career that I've chosen, and I'm now doing my dream job.